So guys, welcome back to my channel with new video. Today I will show you my all artworks 2015 to 2020. So let's start this video. Guru Gobind Singh Ji, Sidhu Moosewala, my brother's painting, Doctor Strange, Sant Jarnail Singh, Bling Singh, Deadpool, black pen for shading and red pencil color, Baba Farid Ji, pencil color shading, me and my sister, I, model, again my brother. This is sketchwork of this painting. My sister. This is very detailed sketch. Again my sister. Comment me which is better, A or B. Akshay Kumar, Punjabi singer Akhil, scenery painting. It is not detailed painting. My best friend. Again my friend photo. Bohemia sketch. This photo is also uploaded on my Instagram ID. Ananya Pandey. I like the eyes of this sketch most. Karthik Aryan. Jassi Gill. Again my friend photo. Scenery painting. See these lines. My first live sketch. Again my brother sketch. Akshay Kumar from Gabbar is Back movie. Panda painting. My first realistic sketch. Jaskirat Maan sketch. Surjit Bindrakhia sketch. Charlie Chapnese. This is one of my favorite sketch. Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Babbu Maan. Amar Sambi. Sukhi from the Londers. Harry Potter. The video of this sketch is also uploaded on my channel, so go and watch my video. Thor. This video is also uploaded on my channel. Now I am showing you my two favorite sketches. Ramgarhia. This sketch takes very time to complete. This is very detailed work. This photo is also uploaded on my Instagram ID. Now I am showing you the last sketch, which is my one of the favorite sketch. Dhanushree sketch. Sketch is my one of realistic sketches. This photo is also uploaded on my Instagram ID. Here takes much time to complete. There is very detailed work in this sketch. If you like this video, then like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.